Alright, so we had a pretty warm day yesterday. It was 80 degrees, and it's another nice day. It's not quite as warm as yesterday, but it's pretty warm in this room. So I decided to put in an air conditioner. This is the 8100 BTU General Electric air conditioner. Just wanted to see how it worked. So I'm going to start this up here in just a second. Alright, let's turn it on. I'm going to switch hands here. Compressor started right away. This thing is actually pretty quiet on low. When I first started this up when I got it, I thought it was really loud, but when it's in the window it's a lot quieter. And it's blowing nice cold air. And here's the temperature in another part of the room. It's pretty warm in here.